Dense floss removes particles and debris. Activated carbon removes toxins, odors and discoloration. Patented bioholster removes toxic ammonia and nitrites. Diffuser grid removes additional toxins while adding oxygen for more active fish. Reduces splashing, making the return exceptionally quiet. Aqueon QuietFlow Power Filters and cartridges were designed with the fish and the aquarist in mind. Our patented designs include unique features to enhance water quality and clarity, increase oxygen levels and lessen noise. Aqueon QuietFlow Power Filters feature 4 stages of filtration-mechanical, chemical, biological and wet, dry for the cleanest, clearest, healthiest water. Higher flow rates ensure higher dissolved oxygen content for healthier, more active fish. The internal pump design helps dampen noise, eliminates leaks and starts up automatically after cleaning or power interruptions. Top reviews from the United States. Best filter I have ever had. So easy to assemble, when it's running you can't even hear it run. It keeps the aquarium water crystal clear. The best part is the red light comes on when it's time to change the filter cartridge out, so you don't have to keep checking to see if the cartridge is dirty. One filter cartridge lasts between 45 to 60 days with this system. Highly recommend this to everyone.